Is it time to let that special someone in your life know that they're important to you and that you really care about them? I'm Gina with WTI, and I found a necklace that works for so many different occasions. This is a heart necklace from Molenia, but it has so much more going for it than just that shape. One of the things I love about it is just how bright and sparkly the CZ stone is. I got the one that is citrine. This sunflower on the side is just darling. The sunflower is 14 karat gold plated, and then the rest of the pendant is 18 karat gold plated. The gold plating is over sterling silver, which means that you're not going to have skin sensitivity from it. The chain that it hangs from is very graceful and delicate looking, but it secures with a lobster clasp. This is an 18-inch chain with a 2-inch draw, so it can accommodate a lot of different neck sizes and still hang precisely where the person wants it to. And it comes beautifully packaged and ready to give as a gift. So bring a little sunshine and joy into that special person's life that you care about and get them this necklace. And that's my point of view.